In today's video, I will walk you through how to see friend activity on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're in Spotify, look to the right side of the main window. This is where the friend activity panel appears. When the panel is enabled and visible, you'll see a list of what the people you follow are currently playing, including the track, artist, and the playlist or album it came from. The list updates automatically as your friends listen, so you can check their activity directly from this panel. If you don't see the friend activity panel, the app window may be too narrow. Try maximizing or widening the Spotify window to give the app enough room to display the right-hand column. If the panel still doesn't appear, check whether the setting is turned on. Go to Settings, then find the Display section. Look for the option called See What Your Friends Are Playing and switch it on. Depending on the version of Spotify you're using, you can access settings from the Profile menu in the top right corner or from the main menu bar. After turning on the setting, return to the home screen. The Friend Activity panel should then appear on the right side of the Spotify window. If the panel appears but looks empty, you may only see activity from people you follow who are sharing their listening activity. If someone has disabled sharing or is using a private session, their activity will not appear in the Friend Activity panel. Also, if you've just started a new session, the activity may take a moment to appear. As your friends start playing music and their listening activity becomes available, the feed will populate and refresh automatically. To review the process, use the Spotify desktop app and look for the Friend Activity panel on the right side of the main window. If you don't see it, first try maximizing or widening the window. If it's still missing, go to Settings and find the Display section. Then turn on See What Your Friends Are Playing. Return to the home screen and check the right side of the window again. Once the panel is visible, you'll be able to see updates from the people you follow who share their listening activity. You can view the track they're playing, the artist, and the playlist or album associated with it. That's how to see friend activity on Spotify. Thank you for watching.